Hello everyone, this is going to be a hotel room tour at the Comfort Suites in Carlsbad, New Mexico. Let's go in. You can see there's a king bed suite that they have here. There's a look into the room. We get a microwave or some mini refrigerator and a sofa and seating area. To the right, just as you walk in, is the bathroom. And coming in here, you see we have a large mirror right there. Single sink. There doesn't appear to be any towel hooks near the sink, which is kind of odd. And then we have the toilet and the shower over here. And I guess they have showers and not tubs, so that's pretty cool. You can see a walk-in shower. And let's look at the bathroom there. Large mirror there. And then we have a microwave. A coffee maker. A small preparation area. We also have the cups and coffee as well. And then we have a mini fridge. And you can see there's the mini fridge. Moving into the main living area, we have a desk with an office chair, large lamp, and then over here we have the seating area. You have a L-shaped sofa. It also has a pull-out bed as well. So it's a sofa sleeper. And there isn't really that much separation between the seating area and the actual bed, as you can see. And then in between the two on the other wall, we have the TV. Samsung HD TV with HD channels. I think it's cable or something like that. And I have a few drawers right over there. And like that built-in storage area. And then over here we have what looks like a bench, but it's more like another place to put things. I guess you can use it as a bench, but you can also put your luggage on it and other stuff like that. And then over here we have the king-size bed with 2 nightstands, and we have built-in lights on the wall with some reading lamps as well. We also have another phone next to the bed. And then over here is the AC unit, which is controlled by that wall thermostat, located over there. And then we have the closet. In here I guess you'll find some sheets for the sofa sleeper, iron and ironing board, and a luggage rack, as well as coat hangers. So that's going to be pretty much it of the hotel room tour at the Comfort Suites in Carlsbad, New Mexico. Thanks for watching, everyone.